See it? The little truck. We're right here trying to get this house took care of. We're getting ready to. We're doing some painting now. Came here and the hearth on this fireplace was sinking down 3 inches on one side. So what we did is we took the carpet back, and what we did is we cut a hole in the floor, jacked this floor up, blocked it, everything like that to make sure now the hearth is level. And I went up the chimney, or outside the chimney, fixed the leak that was causing this. Me and a buddy of mine named Mike St. Peter. And like I say, we got that floor done. And this floor right here was a trampoline. And what we did is cut through this floor right here. We braced it up, blocked it up. It's solid as a rock right now. And you see what we're doing right now? We're painting. Yes, sir. Painting and rolling and cutting in and.
Get my good side.
Yeah, I hear you, good side. And,
like that one.
My buddy Mike, he worked real hard on this. We all getting joined together right now, and we are rolling paint through this house, getting it done. Got all the outlets and all this stuff off. We got one room right here. Beth, you already did the second coat in this bedroom? Okay. What? So we got doing the paint job, make sure we take care of business. We got the hallway to do. We still got this room to do. We're rolling in here. There you go. Things are getting done. It's going to be a happy customer. He's already happy because we already got this floor fixed for him. And that's what he's been wanting for a long time. We got to paint this room, but we steady on the roll. So, figure I'd let y'all know. Upstate Window Washing and Construction. Yesterday we was down in Simpsonville. Power washer, cleaning the house and doing vinyl and stuff. Today I'm up here in Spartanburg, and just let y'all know, hey, I might have plenty of work doing right now, but I need more. So here we go. Share that with everybody you know. Y'all take it easy. Upstate Window Washing and Construction, 864-612-4932. Y'all take it easy now.
Did you rent it? You'll have to repaint this in a year. Yeah.